A quality feature phone can make everyday tasks simpler, while keeping focus on what matters. This type of device supports clear calls, long battery life, and dependable basic use. Options exist for different budgets, styles, and daily routines. Choices are judged by features, ease of use, performance, and value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 7. This model is a solid choice for feature phone. Based on specifications and user feedback, it offers reliable performance, intuitive controls, and great everyday value. Buyers appreciate its efficiency and practical design, making it worth considering. Number 6. Featuring a distinct design, this model focuses on clear communication and straightforward design, building a sense of calm around daily calls. Large buttons and simple menus make it easy to dial and answer, even for hands with less strength. A built-in answering machine lets you screen who you want to talk to, offering control over calls without small screens. Numeric keys and basic functions reduce confusion during quick calls, which suits travelers needing a dependable setup in different time zones. Cordless movement between rooms adds comfort, while solid sound quality helps you hear details without extra learning curves. People who want easy phones without apps or complicated updates may find this layout fits their habits. It earns a spot by combining simplicity, practical features, and everyday durability. Number 5. Imagine a base unit that lets you move freely across the kitchen while talking clearly. This handset uses full duplex speakerphone technology, so your voice and the other person come through at the same time without cutting in. DCT 6.0 adds encrypted wireless links, aiming to reduce interference from other devices. A built-in digital answering machine records up to 14 minutes of messages, and you can replay them remotely from the handset. There are no recurring charges after purchase, and setup is designed for standard home wiring. If you often cook, garden, or care for kids at home, this layout helps you stay available without holding a small phone. It sits on a simple list for users who want a secure, hands-free home phone with basic answering functions and minimal ongoing cost. Number 4. This model highlights solid DT 6.0 digital clarity for everyday home calls. The technology reduces outside noise, so conversations stay understandable even in larger houses or near appliances. Strong wireless range means you can move between rooms while keeping the connection stable. Clear call quality matters for family updates, doctor reminders, or quick neighbor coordination. The seller support and delivery track record adds confidence for first-time cordless buyers. People setting up a simple landline extension without complex smartphone features often choose this type of system. If you want consistent sound without hunting for outlets or worrying about battery limits, this setup fits that need. It targets users who value straightforward talking over gadgets. For many households, this phone earns a spot because it balances function, price, and ease of use. Number 3. This flip phone focuses on talk clarity with dual microphones using noise cancellation to reduce wind and sound. What sets it apart is the dual display design, showing information on both the outer cover and inner screen, which helps users navigate without fully opening the phone. That matters because it saves battery and makes checking time or calls discreet and fast. It suits seniors or budget-conscious buyers who want a straightforward interface and a familiar flip form. Travelers may appreciate its sturdy build and simple physical keys. On this list, it earns a place because it balances nostalgic flip phone charm with practical call quality features, giving a modern take on a classic style without complicating daily use. Number 2. This is a cordless phone system with 2 handsets. If 2 people are in different rooms, one can be on a call while the other uses the second handset so nobody has to wait. Each handset has a display that shows the caller ID. You can see who is calling without guessing. There is also speakerphone and headset options. If you need to type or do something else with your hands, you can turn speakerphone on. If you prefer not to hold the phone to your ear, you can use a headset. The cordless handsets can be used in multiple rooms. You can walk from room to room while staying on the call. This system suits people who want basic phone service between 2 handsets. It does not include smart home features or extra apps. The setup is simple to install and use. The seller provides customer support and reliable delivery. This helps if you have questions or need help setting the system up. Number 1. This model focuses on classic wired convenience with a modern digital twist. It delivers 2 handsets, so talking and listening happen separately in different rooms. DCT 6.0 cuts out buzzing near Wi-Fi routers, giving cleaner sound. Multiple handsets suit small offices or larger homes where someone might be upstairs or in the kitchen. Handsets include speaker options, reducing strain on hands and ears during long calls. Caller ID and call waiting work through standard landline services. For households wanting simple, familiar layout without new software setup, this pairing has clear utility. If you want basic calling without relying on mobile signals, this style helps reduce screen time. Choosing this format means fewer apps, easier buttons, and straightforward daily use. Feature phones provide a straightforward way to stay connected with essential functions. Different models suit varied priorities, such as extended battery life, basic usability, compact design, or durable construction. Review specifications and comparisons to match your routine. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.